First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. To create brand designs, start by defining the identity of the brand you want to represent. Think about the brand name, industry, target audience, personality, colors, typography, and overall visual direction. Once you have these details, open the image generation area and write a clear prompt. Start by describing the type of brand design you want. It could be a logo concept, social media graphic, product packaging, advertisement, business card, or another visual asset. For example, you could ask for a premium skincare brand design featuring elegant typography, soft neutral colors, minimalist packaging, clean composition, and a sophisticated luxury aesthetic. If you want specific brand text, include the exact wording in your prompt. Next, describe the color palette and visual style you want to maintain. Using consistent colors and design characteristics can help you create a stronger brand identity across multiple visuals. Now review the available model, aspect ratio, and style settings. Choose the options that match your project and generate several design variations. When the results appear, compare them carefully. Look for consistency, readability, balance, and whether the design communicates the brand's personality. If a design feels too complicated, simplify your prompt and request a cleaner layout. If the colors aren't right, specify the exact color direction you want. You can also create several related designs using similar prompts so they share a consistent visual style. Once you find a strong concept, use the available editing or remixing features to refine it. Review important details such as logos, text, spacing, colors, and proportions before using the design professionally. For final branding work, you may want to refine the AI-generated concept in a dedicated design or vector application. And that's how you can create brand designs